Hey everyone, very good morning to all of you. This is Kritika Paliwal welcoming you all in the online classes of Gokuldas Public School. So as I have told you earlier that today we are going to start the question and answers of the chapter number 1, the 1-inch volume. Okay, so do you know how we start writing? First thing that we do in the notebook is to write the index. So start writing the index with me. Open your notebook. Come on, do it fast. Open your index page first, okay? And first thing you write in the index page is the serial number. Serial number 2. Today's date, whatever date is there today. And the topic. Yeah, this is the main thing. In the topic you write question at chapter 1, short form ch.1, question and answer, QUE question dash ANS answer. Okay, that's it. The remark and all section you don't need to fill it. Do it fast. Date, write the date in this format. For example, today's date is 25 of June 2020. Okay, so whatever date you are writing this thing, you write that date only. Okay, do it fast. Okay, that's it. Now open a new fresh page of your notebook. Remember, don't start writing from the page where you have left the last question. If 3-4 lines are remaining on that page, you start writing from the next page. Okay, that look even more good and beautiful and neat and clean. So start writing on a new page. Write down the date here, whatever date you have written in the index. And first, suppose this is your margin. You have a margin in your notebook now, right? So first, suppose this is your margin. Write down question number C. Why we are writing C? Because question number A was art words, question number B was word meanings, and now question number C. Write down the topic ANSWER. Answer the following questions. Write down as neatly and as beautifully as you can. Okay? So question number 1 is, write down the heading fast. And now you have to be habitual of writing fast during these online classes, because taking the screenshot will not always work. Remember, after today's lecture, the first one who will send me the picture of the answer and question answer first will get a chocolate from me whenever you will come to school. Okay, so this way you have to write fast to get the chocolate. Now question number 1, the question that I am giving to you is not in your book, but that's an extra question that I have made. Okay, so the question is based on the main character of the story. Who was the main character? Isun Boshi. That's right. So the question is, what was the name of the 1-inch tall boy? Don't forget to write a question mark after that, after question. Okay. What was the name of the 1-inch tall boy? So the answer is, yes, you know the answer. The question is very easy. The answer is Eason Boshi. But since we are now in a bigger class, we are not class 1 students, we are in a bigger class, so we will write answer in full sentence. Okay. So in place of what? You will write Eason Boshi and you will write the answer as it is from the question, beginning from the word was. So see, how am I writing it? Eason Boshi. The spelling is I-double-S-U-N Eason, B-O-S-H-I Boshi. Eason Boshi. And now from the question, was the name of the 1-inch tall boy. I hope it is visible to all of you. Okay, now write it fast. I am giving you ample time to write it. I am reading the question and the answer one more time. What was the name of the 1-inch tall boy? So the answer is Eason Boshi was the name of the 1-inch tall boy. Okay. Okay, done. Now question number 2 is, what did Eason Boshi don't forget to make the I and the B capital. Okay. What did Eason Boshi wish? Yes, if you have understood the chapter carefully, you know the answer. What did Eason Boshi wish? Eason Boshi wished to work in the city. What did Eason Boshi wish? Eason Boshi wished to work in the city. Now look at the answer carefully. Eason Boshi, I-double-S-U-N Eason, B-O-S-H-I. Eason Boshi. Now this wish will become wished in the answer. Why it will become wished? Because we write the answer in the past tense. Okay. And yeah, one more thing with this word did. The second form of the verb doesn't come, and I know you are not familiar with the verbs and all, but just for some extra knowledge I am telling you all these. So this wish will become wished. Eason Boshi wished. W-I-S-H-E-D. See the same spelling, W-I-S-H, W-I-S-H. Just an E-D will get added. Okay. So Eason Boshi wished to work. Eason Boshi wished to work in the city. C-I-T-Y, city. Okay. I hope my handwriting is understandable. Come on, write the second question and the answer fast. What did Eason Boshi wish? Eason Boshi wished to work in the city. Okay. Isun Boshi wished to work in the city. Write the question and the answer fast. Okay, now 1 minute time I will give you. After that, I'll write the third question. So come on, write it fast. Bring some milk and dry fruits before the lecture. It will give you energy to write fast. Okay. Yeah, again this question, the question number 2 is not in your book, but this is an extra question that I have made so that you will not become a Rattu Tota. What is a Rattu Tota? The person who will learn the question of the book, the questions that are given in the exercise. Na? The Rattu Tota is the one who learn all the questions as it is. He doesn't try to learn some extra things, but we are not that. We are good students, so we will learn and write the extra questions also, so that we understand the chapter in a more better way. Okay? So done. Now the third question is from your book. Beta, you can see it on the page number 6. Page number 6, question number C. Answer these questions, the question number 1. But don't write it as question number 1. We will write it as question number 3. Okay. Now don't get afraid. The question is a little bigger, but it's easy, because we have understood the chapter very nicely. So the question is, what did Isun Boshi Isun Boshi's father. Isun Boshi's father means Isun Boshi ke father. Okay, what did Isun Boshi's father give him before Isun Boshi went to the city? So if I have to explain the question is Hindi. What did Isun Boshi's father give him? Isun Boshi के father ने उसे क्या दिया था? Before Isun Boshi went to the city. Isun Boshi के city जाने से पहले Isun Boshi के father ने उसे क्या दिया था? So you know that what did he give him? Write the answer question fast. After that we will write the answer, because the question is a little bigger. Okay, so what had he given him? A soup bowl? Yes, no. He had not given him a soup bowl. He had given him a little sword. Okay, and the sword was made out of a needle, a sharp needle. Okay, so Isun Boshi's father this comma is called apostrophe, okay, and this S is called the apostrophe S. Isun Boshi's father now this give will become gave in the answer. This give will become gave. Okay. Isun Boshi's father gave him, H-I-M, him, a little, L-I-T-T-L-E, little, S-W-O-R-D, sword. I hope it is visible. Okay, write it fast, come on. Okay, 1 minute time for you to note it down. Okay, so just as I write the things on the board, I want you all to write exactly, to write as it is in your notebook neatly and clearly. And yeah, one more thing, most important thing, don't note down the incorrect spelling in your notebook. Okay? Because when teacher corrects it with the red pen, it doesn't look good. So it's better you note down all these spellings correctly and get a very good from me. Okay? Write it fast, come on. Yeah, and parents, for the slow writers, you can take the screenshot of this, or you can even pause the video and let your child write this. Now the next question that we are going to write is also an extra question that is made by me, of course. Okay, I am rubbing out all these. Question 1 and its answer. If you have not written question 2 and 3, you have time to write it. Write it down fast, and parents, please help your child to write fast. Question number 4 is, how means कैसे, how did Isun Boshi now you might be wondering, in every question Isun Boshi's name is coming because he is the main character of our story. How did Isun Boshi sail? How did Isun Boshi sail to the city? Now try to remember what his mom made for him. His mom made him a boat. Out of what? Out of a soup bowl. A little soup bowl in which Isun Boshi can fit easily. Okay? So the answer will be Isun Boshi. The sail, this word sail will become sail to the city. See, now you can see most of the answer is in the question only. Isun Boshi sailed to the city in a soup bowl. We just have to remember 3 words. What are those words? In a soup bowl. Okay? So the answer is Isun Boshi sailed, S-A-I-L, sail, this word as it is, and just add a ed to it. Okay? Isun Boshi city in a what? In a little? No. In a soup bowl. S-O-U-P, soup. B-O-W-L, bowl. Don't read it as bowl. That means something else, something bad. Okay. It is read as bowl. Okay. B-O-W-L, bowl. And yeah, don't forget to put a question mark after every question and the full stop after every answer. Okay? Now 1 minute I am giving you to write this question and the answer both. So write it fast, come on. Isun Boshi sailed to the city in a soup bowl. And if you have started writing from a new page, if after question number 3 your page has been filled up, and if you are writing the question number 4 on a new page, so you will write proper date on that page. Okay? Okay, write it fast. Extra question easy for you? Yes, of course it is. Isun Boshi sailed to the city in a soup bowl. Only 3 words you have to remember. In a soup bowl. Okay, the other rest of the things you will find from the question. And don't make insect type handwriting in your notebook. I'll cut out the page. Write beautifully. And you have to send me the picture of these question answer just after the lecture will be finished. Okay? Okay, the next question is question number 5. That is from your book. That is question number 2 in your book, but that will be question number 5 in our notebook. Okay. So the question is, how did Isun Boshi please Lord Sanjo? It means Isun Boshi ने Lord Sanjo को खुश कैसे किया? Okay. Please means very happy ना? Happy and satisfied? Yes, we have read it in the word meaning part. So I am writing the question there. Question number 5. How did Isun Boshi please, P-L-E-A-S-E, please Lord Sanjo? Beta L-O-R-D, Lord, this L will be capital because Lord Sanjo is a name and names are always written in capital. Mean the first letter of the name is always capital. Okay, so don't forget to make this L capital, L-O-R-D, Lord, and S capital, S-A-N-J-O, Sanjo. Okay, so how did Isun Boshi please Lord Sanjo? Now if you are listening to me carefully, you will tell already that this please will become pleased in the answer. So, answer is, do you know the answer? How did Isun Boshi please Lord Sanjo? What happened? Try to remember that scene. In that scene, a fly came buzzing near Lord Sanjo's ear. It was troubling Lord Sanjo, and Isun Boshi just drove the fly away by his sword. Okay, so we will write the answer. Don't get afraid as the answer will be a little bigger, but the answer is necessary. Okay, I am rubbing out this question number 2. Boshi, I-S-S-U-N, B-O-S-H-I, Boshi, pleased, P-L-E-A-S-E-D, pleased, because E is already there in this word, so we will just add a D, okay. So, Isun Boshi pleased Lord Sanjo, L capital and S capital. Isun Boshi pleased Lord Sanjo by driving the fly away with his sword, okay, with his sword, S-W-O-R-D, sword, okay. By driving here means not car driving, okay, by driving here means to fly away, okay. Isun Boshi pleased Lord Sanjo by driving the fly away with his sword. Yeah, driving means uda dena. Okay. So, for this lecture, this question is the last. 2 more questions are there that we will do in the next lecture. Okay, so write it down fast. I am giving you 1 minute to write it. Isun Boshi pleased Lord Sanjo by driving the fly away with his sword. Again I am telling you, don't get afraid with the long answers, as now you are also big. You are in class 2 now. You know how to, you have to learn how to learn these long answers. Just don't learn it, understand it. Okay. And don't forget to write the date if you are starting from a new page, okay. And one more thing, the parents can take the screenshot or either pause the screen on the YouTube if the child is writing slow. So you can take the screenshot now. And that's it for today. It was so happy to see you again. Bye-bye.